Yo, what's happening, people? It's your boy Khalid, and we just finished watching the Arsenal-Brighton game where it finished Arsenal 0. Arsenal 0, Brighton 3. Look, let's be real, it was good while it lasted. The way we've just cookie crumbled in the last 5 games has just been incredible. No one saw it coming, and today what surprised me the most is we looked leggy. We looked like we were the ones that just came back from Spain from a midweek European game, and I don't understand. Like, we've had a week's rest. I know it's been a long season, but we went out of the Carabao Cup relatively early. We went out of the FA Cup relatively early. We got through to the Europa League, I think it was last 16. So it's not like we've been playing so many games. Like, you can understand a team like Manchester United feeling leggy. I think they've played the most games out of any team in Europe. You can understand a team like, Man City, even though they've got, abundant of players that can come off the bench and, slot in perfectly and still put in a 10 out of 10 performance. They've got that quality. But for us, I don't understand where the tiredness is coming from. We're a young side. We should, our energy reserves just seem to diminish in these last 5 games. I don't know if it's a psychological, if it's a mindset. Honestly, I cannot put my finger on it. It just seemed like we were so leggy today. We were tired, we were lethargic. There was no zip about our passing. We were wayward at times, and look, take nothing away from Brighton. They thoroughly deserved to win, and they played some beautiful football. They dominated that game. They dominated the game, and they deserved the win. 3-0, emphatic, on our own patch, and that's not happened this season. I mean, even when Man City beat us 3-1, we put up a game. Arguably, we were the better side, but today we were just thoroughly outplayed, and that's the title gone. A lot of people thought the title was gone before this game. I think Man City earlier going to Everton, emphatic 3-0, might have knocked the stuffing out of us before the game today, but still, we've got to remain, professional. We've got, while it's mathematically possible, we needed to win today, man. We needed to win, and we didn't. And it was, that's it. It's done. It's done. The title's done. We need to regroup. We need to make some smart signings in in the summer. We need 3 players, I believe. But when I say 3 players, I'm not talking, I'm not talking like a career signing, I'm talking 3 top class players. 3 players that are going to cost us 200 million. That's what we need. 3 players that are going to cost us 200 million. Declan Rice, Rafinha, and we need a big centre forward as our plan B. Because when plan A is not working with Jesus and Nketiah, we need a plan B. We need a target man. We need a Haaland. We need a Nunes. Yeah, we need a target man. We need a presence up front. And I know Nunes hasn't been good this year, but I'm using him as an example, as we need that presence up front. We need a target man. Hopefully he'll be better than Nunes. But yeah, we need three players, and we need to push on. And hopefully, next season we can put up a better fight. And look, it's been an incredible season, man. To finish second, you ask any Arsenal fan before the season started, before we kicked the ball, they would have snapped your both legs and both arms off if you told them they'd get second place. Back in the Champions League after 6 years out, I think 6-7 years. It's been a long time, so we have Champions League back at the Emirates next season, which is a plus. But it's disappointing having been at the top of the table for the majority of this league. majority of this season, and to lose it, you know, in the last 5 games, really, it's a bitter pill to swallow. But look, this is football. That's the level you're up against in Man City. But yeah, we've got to regroup, make some shrewd, decent signings in the summer, and kick on, man. We're on the right track with this young squad, young players, young manager, and the future is bright. The future is bright, and this is a learning curve. This is a learning curve. Last season we missed out on top 4. This season we made top 4 with games in hand, and we missed out on the title. So you can see there's a pattern emerging. Maybe next year's our year. Maybe next year's our year. Peace out, Arsenal fans. Take care, man. And yeah, 2 more games left, and we'll see you next season.